Hi, I'm Sarah from Roof Windows For You, and in this video I'm going to answer the top installer questions. How to work out the structural opening size for a FAKRO roof window. You need to leave a 10mm or 1 cm gap on all 4 edges of the window. For example, if you had a 78 by 98 cm window, you would need to leave an 80 by 100 cm gap. You will need to give yourself a little bit of room to manoeuvre. If your cutting isn't perfectly straight, then you can wiggle the window into place. How to find the perfect flashing. Flashing is essential in keeping the window watertight. There are 2 things you need to know: the pitch of the roof and the roof covering. Once you have these, you can head over to roofwindowsforyou.co.uk and find the options available. What do the J, V and N levels mean? We have 3 levels that the window can be fitted. J, which means recessed, V, which means standard, and N means high level. If it's a slate roof or a conservation area, there may be a requirement that the window sits on the J level as it's the least visible. Just make sure your flashing code ends in the corresponding letter. So if your window needs to sit recessed, which is our J level, make sure that the code of the flashing ends in J. Can you fit windows on battens as well as rafters? Yes, you can, but we prefer you to screw the windows to the rafters to stop the window from flexing. Should you fit the frame separate to the sash? It is much easier and lighter to separate the frame from the sash when fitting the window. Is the gap between the bottom of the window and the top of the tiles important? Yes, it's very important. Please refer to our fitting instructions for the exact distance you should leave. For example, if the flashing is pushed up too close to the tiles, it can leave a water trough. This water will then get pushed back up through the window and into the room. If you have any further questions, please head over to roofwindowsforyou.co.uk where one of the team will be happy to help.